Hello there, and welcome back to Cologne. I'm standing here in front of the Cologne Cathedral, which is by far one of my favorite buildings in the entire world. And I'm about to embark on my second hunt for the love locks of my friends Patrick and Juliet. Hi Pat, hi Julie. So, step one, we need to find the love locks. Then we need to get Theo's old love lock and get it engraved and find a new one for Nathan as well. Hope we find it again. Wish me luck. All right, cathedral's behind us, and up ahead we're going to enter the bridge. Just need to find a spot to park my bike. Thank you to Sabine for lending me her bike for my trip. And so it begins. So if you haven't watched the first video that I made in 2017, please do that. Then you'll know exactly which lock clues we're looking for. So the two hint locks that Patrick pointed out on his picture aren't there anymore. The green spirally chain bike lock and the big funny shaped one. I can't find them. But luckily I could track kind of where it is roughly on the bridge based by this kind of structure here and the building and the angle those were in from the video that I took last time. So first clue was there. Second clue was there. And there it is. Oh my gosh, I hope Theo's lock still lets me open it. Uh-oh. Come on, Theo. Come on, don't be rusted shut. Theo! It's turning. It's turning. It's so rusty. I saved this key for the last 3 or 4 years for this moment. Come on. Ugh. Theo, this thing has been here since before you were born. Literally, so. Everyone's laughing at me. You're not supposed to take the locks off of here. A lady just walked by me and said the relationship is over. She thinks I'm removing a love lock from an ex-boyfriend. That's hilarious. Alright, Theo, I've been trying for 10 minutes and I can't seem to get you off of there, so you might have to share a new lock with your brother. Sorry. Alright, didn't go as expected. So I've been saving these keys here for the last years for nothing. But hey, it's fun nonetheless. So let's just go look for a new lock. It's going to be a little different than planned, but still sweet and wonderful just the same. Okay, that was a bit of a failure, but we don't give up. Never give up. Let's go find a little shop in the Altstadt that will make a new lock for Theo and Nathan to share. Should be able to find something here. So I found the perfect lock for Theo and Nathan. Check this one out. Jetzt wird gebastelt. Schön.
Ja, ich gucke gerade.
Ja, alles
Ja,
gut.
es ist selbst.
like I said, never give up. We got the lock engraved just in the old Market Square area behind me. Here's the City Hall there, and it looks beautiful. I'm so excited to hang this up with Juliet and Patrick's love lock. So we're just gonna turn around and make our way back to the bridge. Check it out. So my new Canadian friend Ilona, who runs the lock stand, she had this beautiful little Hohenzollernbrücke image to put on the lock next to the feet. And so here you can see the 3 arches of the bridge as they are on the lock. All right, we're back. We have our love lock, a little bit different than we planned, but hey, you gotta be flexible. And I'm actually really happy with the way that it came out. I think it's absolutely adorable and fantastic, and I can't wait to put it on. Let's do it. So the lock lady Ilona was telling me that lock picks will come onto the bridge and pick these locks open, shave away the engraving, and reuse them. So what this clever lock selling place has done is they've engraved a little bit of the key away, and she said I need to stick the key in, lock it, and then break the tip of the key and shove the little tip of the key all the way in so that they can't pick it and open it up. So I'll try to catch that on camera. I need to invest in a proper camera stand. Jetzt dreht's, ja. Also hier ist das Schloss. Das ist ganz super, danke, dass ihr das macht. Also hier, also ich muss das erschließen. So. Und die Dame hat mir gesagt, ich soll jetzt den Schlüssel jetzt hier rein abbrechen. So. Und ganz reinschließen. Super, vielen Dank. So hi everybody, I have 2 wonderful camera men helping me that I met on the bridge today. So they took a nice film of me putting the lock on and breaking the key off. So thanks guys. And yeah, so that's it. Now we have our keys from the purple lock then, which we don't need anymore, and the lock that we put on today. And tradition is that you take those keys and you drop them into the Rhine River. So say goodbye keys. Bye keys. Ready? And cheers. So it's about